Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to this Declutter With Me series on my channel. I cannot take it anymore. Today's the day. I've just got to tackle this mess in this office.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet?
I guess this is just my second closet or storage unit. I don't know. But today is the day for a fresh start. So get up and declutter with me. It's going to feel so good once you're done, I promise you. So let me know as you're watching today what is on your list to declutter. Okay, you guys, look at this package from Joann's. Stop, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This little spider dish towel. Gosh, these are so cute too. And I love this. It's never too early for Halloween on this channel, that is true. And they sent me a gift card. This was so lovely and thoughtful. I cannot wait to go shopping at Joann's this year. And if you're just joining, this is part of an entire house declutter with me series. So be sure to check out all the other videos on this playlist. There's lots of decluttering motivation and organizing inspo. Okay, so once again, it got pretty late last night. I didn't get to completely finish the office, but it is just much better. Like I can see the floor up here. So it's much better in here, but I'm more in the mood today to work on the kitchen. So I'm gonna head in there first. Might pop back in here later if I have the time, but just really kind of want to tackle the kitchen. So in the office, it was really just a lot of stuff that needed to be moved to its proper home. A lot of it honestly could be tossed and donated, but in here, I just need to reset these shelves. So for spaces like this, take everything out, set it all out on the counter, assess what I really use and need. And sometimes you get little gift mugs or glasses. And for me, there was like a set of gold champagne glasses that just don't match with any of my other ones. They're cute, so I ended up giving them to my mom because I would rather just see my shelves be a little more orderly looking than have all different mismatched glasses. And I'm making sure to recycle all the plastic stuff and paper stuff that I can.
Something stays the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I would change. Some things stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stayed the same. Okay, we are almost done with the first floor of my house in this declutter with me. I'm going to do this little hutch in the dining room here, continue on in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, it like feels so good. So again, for these spaces, I just like to empty everything out, assess what is actually used, what should stay, and then donate what's still nice and toss or recycle whatever is broken or trash.
It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
Okay, this one is where it gets scary. Like, why did I ever let it get like this? This is just sad. And I say that in a joking way. I'm really not going to be that hard on myself, and I don't want you to be that hard on yourself. Life happens to all of us. We all go through difficult seasons and stuff piles up, and you just, you know, need a fresh start sometimes. You need that motivation to get through it, and that's why we're doing this together today. So don't feel bad if you have a lot to declutter too. Like, if you know you're just joining this series, go back and watch the other couple videos. Like, we have been doing so much decluttering, and there's still so much decluttering to do. So don't feel bad about yourself if things have piled up. You can always have a fresh start. You can always start decluttering. Today's your day to get started. Let's just take everything out of here. I'll go through it and only put back the stuff that I know I'm going to use for table settings again.
You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. Reliving.
years, I've gotten a couple different tablescape decorations for fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween, for when I have Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving dinners. So all this stuff was from that. And there was a lot of random pumpkins, some other bins I hadn't used in ages. And it's just not the right spot for that kind of decor. Like down in the basement is where I have all my seasonal decor in a storage room, which you'll probably see in an upcoming video. So I wanted to take all that stuff and put it back in its proper home and only keep the stuff in this hutch that I'm using for tablescapes. Speaking of which, I am so excited to start decorating for fall soon and Halloween. I cannot believe how fast time is flying. Like the summer has flown by, but let me know, what do you decorate for? Do you decorate for fall? Do you decorate for Halloween? Do you do a mix of both? Let me know down in the comments.
We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want.
This is completely cleared out. And as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff, but I think if I, wipe it out, I'll be able just to put back what I know I'm going to use and probably be donating a lot of the rest. And I'm gonna use the Cocoa Butter Cashmere Multi-Surface Cleaner because it's just the perfect fall scent to me. And all the fall decor, I'm in my fall feels right now. So Cocoa Butter Cashmere time. If you haven't tried it yet, order it today on capandqueen.com, and the code SUMMER is still good for 10% off any order $25 or more.
And filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it
Smells so good in here now. All right, now comes the fun part, putting everything in neat and organized. It feels so good. I'd recommend putting things in groups or categories as you put them back. And I like to do it by height, like the candlesticks. I went from tallest to smallest, and it just helps keep everything looking nice and orderly. I feel like it's also really good for your mental health when you look at it that way.
and I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
This gets to stay empty. This is like a whole new world. This little part makes me so happy, like how they're all lined up. And then I have some of the Halloween stuff down here. But really, I mean, I have a lot of Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, tablescape kind of stuff. And then just because I feel like it was a little different of a color. I put those there. But I don't know, I was thinking, I mean, who cares, right? It's Hutch. I can put those there with the other candles too. Actually, I'm gonna do that. And then I have two sides that are all cleared out, decluttered, like a mother. And because I'd set a lot of decor on the table, it needed a good wipe down. I'm using some of that Cap and Queen multi-surface cleaner before we head back into the kitchen for some more decluttering and organizing.
I've been told too many times now, yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now, but somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go.
All right, let's take a peek at these drawers. This one I think is actually fine. We're just gonna leave it alone. But this one, I'm gonna take everything out and we'll put it all back in nice and neat.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for an.
Let's wipe out this drawer and then we're going to get rid of some of the duplicate items that I just don't need and only put back the stuff that I know I'm going to use.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now, but somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start.
Okay, what's going on under here right now? I don't even know, but I need some help. These two cabinets are probably the most functional ones in the entire kitchen because it's the kids' self-service station. It's where they can get their cups for water, their plates and utensils for when we eat. So if you have little ones, I'd highly recommend putting their cups, plates, utensils in a low cabinet like this so they can be more independent when they need water. They can easily help set the table, get a bowl for snacks or, you know, whatever they need.
New start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go running and hide, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start.
Okay, this space is already so much. It's not like ideal. I don't know, I'm kind of over all the kid colored plates. Could be one of those things soon that I just get them a little more this color. Like I loved these that I had in Hawaii. But at least this space is now more decluttered and especially down here. Much, much neater. Finally today, I just wanted to do a quick little clean down here, but oh my gosh, I feel so much better. Besides my garage, the first floor is basically done. Like in the past videos in this series, we've decluttered the laundry room, the powder bathroom, the coat closet, foyer furniture. We did the family room, kids' school stuff, and now today the office, dining room hutch. That was a mess. Honestly, I'm so glad that one was done. That was like on my brain for a long time, how badly it needed to get done. And now the kitchen looks so much better, pantry, and wow, just what a difference just over the last few weeks in doing this it has made on my mental health. It's so freeing, like seriously. If you are suffering from anxiety or depression or just going through a difficult season, I hope you know you're not alone, but I hope you know I'm here to cheer you on through this. So if you need a prayer, if you need words of encouragement, you just let us know down in the comments. And truly, I just encourage you, get up, get started decluttering and cleaning your space, because you are worthy of a beautiful home, a better life, and we're in this together. I do still have some things to do though, like the office. I need to do the actual desk drawers and filing cabinet. The garage really needs to get done. My closet really needs to get done. My bathroom, and then the toys in the basement. That's gonna be a big one. I might wait until the kids go back to school and do that last. But comment which one you'd really like to see first. And we're gonna continue on this entire house decluttering journey together. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting me along this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, loves.
So why